Hello, welcome to NFI online video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain you about our best-selling course, Learn 5 PLC in a Day. It's a certificate course in which you will get 5 PLCs to learn. And those are Delta, Allen Bradley, Siemens, Omron, and Schneider. And we have high-quality tutorials for explanation of these PLCs with their commands and programming. And myself, Rajveer, I'm one of the educators in NFI, which is an online training academy having its lab set up in India, and we are authorized under Skill India, Sector Skill Council, and National Skill Development Corporation. So let's see that what we have in this course and why it's the best-selling course. So let's see the course structure first. In this course, we will explain you about the wiring. Initially, how to wire the PLC. So we have some softwares by which we will explain you the basic components and how to understand those components in JIC symbols. So the first part covers the wiring, how to wire the circuit. And then you will understand how to practically implement the wiring in designing the circuit. So we'll be interfacing the real-time circuit in front of you using the wiring diagram. So that is done by capturing the PLC's wiring using a live camera, and you will see the camera, you will see everything, how the wiring is being done, and then we are going to program it. We will be programming the simulations, and we will also programming the real-time applications. Alright, so you will see everything with the camera, and to make this course easy, we will have some simulators which you can also get along with this course. The information to download the simulators are given within the course. So it's a very quick short introduction video. What is there in the course, how you are going to learn it. So let's proceed. What is covered in this course? So first of all, what we have PLCs with explanation of their digital IOs. Alright, in digital IOs we have Allen Bradley M1000, Micrologix 1000. So if you see in this lesson, we have like introduction to Allen Bradley PLC trainer, in which I'm explaining the wiring.
These three switches. This is an endo switch.
You can see that here. Okay. And then we have the explanation of this wiring, how this wiring is being done, and this is the standardized symbols we have used. And further, when we wire the circuit, we also explain it in the software how to program it. So this is covered under Allen Bradley M1000. Then we have Allen Bradley Micrologix 1400. And this 1400 PLC we have, you can see here we have a software, which is a simulation software by which we code the environment. And you can see that this environment is so user-friendly. It's a 3D animation and makes learning very interactive, very easy. That's why we say ITC, Interactive Training System. So this software is very useful to understand how to program a PLC and how to understand the real-time environment effects in the system. Alright, then we have Siemens S7200. In this module we have the tutorials for Siemens S7200 and how to program this PLC. So this module covers that. And then we have a module of Omron CP1E. And in this module we have the live interfacing of Omron PLC with IOs. This is my input outputs, my emergency, and I'm explaining how to wire this IOs with the PLC and then how to program it. So all these things are covered starting from scratch. And the next model is Delta 14SS. Similarly, in Delta PLC, we have explained how to wire the Delta PLC in the software first, and then further we will explain how to program this in the programming software. So this is about Delta 14SS. And then we have a Schneider. In that we don't have a PLC, but we are explaining the Schneider programming using a very interactive simulator. You can see here. Alright, so you make the logic and then you simulate it and you can see the results in your software. So besides digital IOs, we also have analog IOs to understand how analog input output works in a PLC. So we'll start with Allen Bradley IF2 OF2. It's a module, an extra module which we connect to Allen Bradley 1400, and where you can see, you can understand the relation between voltage and bits. And then you will be practically seeing how the voltage is going to a VFD, because I think I'm explaining here about the output, analog output. Alright, and then you will understand the programming of it, and in the end I'll be interfacing it and showing you the live example. Alright, this is Allen Bradley IF2 OF2. Then in analog we have Siemens S7200. This PLC has analog input internally, and for analog output I have connected an analog output module, and then I explain using a multimeter to understand the voltage and bits, and we have some wiring diagrams to fully understand this logic. Okay, and then we have Delta 0480 and 04DA. This is a Delta analog module. This was a Siemens, this is an Allen Bradley. So similarly in Delta module we have explain using a VFD, because VFD gives us a feedback of 0 to 10 volts, which we read in analog input, and we give out the analog output of D to A to VFD input to AVI terminal. Okay, so this was the analog IOS module. Then we also have in this course the HMI interfacing, which is explained in the Delta HMI. So in the Delta HMI, you will find how to make a screen, then how to interface that with a PLC, with a live PLC. This is not the simulation. We are designing it, and we are in the real time showing you how to link Delta HMI with the PLC and how to make different pipes and some tanks, how to fill it and how to relate it with the PLC. This is very interesting. And finally, we also have some increment encoder interface with Delta PLC. This is about how you will interface your encoder, then how you read the feedback which is coming in high speed pulses from the encoder in the PLC. So these all are the different tutorials we have in this course, and if we sum up everything, we have more than 200 lectures. And if you want to see the details of these lectures, you can please see the curriculum of this course. Alright, so this is about the course content what you have in this course. Then how you can use the course effectively. Well, I have some key points to mention here. Like, first of all, you should use the PLC simulator. We have PLC simulator information given in the course, how you can download it. So download it, it's for free. And we have given sufficient notes and sufficient exercise which you can solve using simulator. If you're not satisfied enough just with the simulator, it's your option. You can buy a PLC online, and you can ask me which PLC is more economical to you or more suitable to you as a beginner. So I can also write it to you. You can just write me a message and I can explain you which PLC is most suitable for you as a student or as a hobbyist. There are various PLC available in the market, so you can buy your own PLC. And if you want to design your trainer, we can help you for free. How to design your trainer, which are the components you need, right? And then again, if you practice daily, like 30 to 45 minutes, this will be very effectively for you to learn this course, because if you just see it, you will just get 20% or 30%. But if you perform it by yourself, you will get more than 90% of the course. All right. So to perform, you can either do it only on the simulator or you can buy a PLC. All right. So target audience, who should join this course. So in case if you are an engineer who want to upgrade your PLC and automation skills, you can join this course. This is the best suitable for you. Or if you are a hobbyist or industrialist who want to understand how to programming work, you can also join this course, because everything we are starting from scratch. And if you're a student of, let's say, mechatronics, mechanical or electronics, and you want to go into the automation field, this is the best suitable course for you, because we are talking about PLCs, their wiring, their programming, and the programming language which we are using in the whole course is ladder logic. All right, so you must know that. So this is all about the PLC course and how you can buy this course. One option is you can go to our website and you will find a good discount on this course, and you can buy it. Current price is I think $39 US. You can buy the whole content in $39 US, but the price keep on varying because we keep on updating the course. So in case if you find the price even more, it means it has some more content now than this video. So what you will get after buying, you will get a lifetime access to video tutorials. You will get a PLC simulator, and this information is in the course. You will get PLC notes and exercise for practice, and you will get a live support. By live support, I mean sometime if you're stuck in some example, if you're stuck in the software installation, if you're unable to simulate your PLC logic with the software, we can do a TeamViewer session and I can support you for that. So I will not charge extra for those hours. All right, this is what you will get after buying. So thank you for watching.